In this video, I'll show you how to lower the back seat of your Subaru Outback 2010 to 2014. Usually, the back seats have a small latch on the top, but over here it's on the lower side. You just have to pull it from under like that, and the seats will fall down. But obviously, if your front seat is all the way back on its track, you'll need to go up front and just pull it a tiny bit. Therefore, even the backrest, you can pull it a bit, and then it will be able to lay flat this way. For the other side, same thing. You see there's a latch right over there. You just have to pull it, it will fall down, and you'll be good to go. Once you're ready to put it back, simply slam it back. Make sure that it latches in place. Make sure that the seat belt is not on the way, like that. And then I suggest you pull a bit on it, just to make sure that it's latched, so in case of an accident it does not come folding down. Anyway, this is it. I hope this was useful. If so, please leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.